everybody, it is a nice sunny day, and it's a little later from the other video. Now that I've started making videos, I can't stop. But anyways, I'm sorry, it's kind of windy out here. That would be nicer. Like, I'm under a tree, so it's kind of shady. But anyways, the wind is blowing right now, so I'm sorry about the noise. And it's not going to be that good of a video because I'm in my backyard and it's far away from the internet. I know that shouldn't make a difference, but it does. Trust me. Just go back and look at my videos that are in my house and then look at the videos outside. Now, I figured you guys don't ask me questions. There isn't a you guys. It's like a couple people, like 7, 1, I don't know. But I put my camera right here. Whatever it's called. It is a nice sunny day. Sorry about the noise. Whee! Okay. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful here. It is beautiful today. Yeah. I know not very many people watch me, but this is an apple tree. See, there's fresh apples on his board. Sorry. It's a nice. Sorry, my neighbor's gardening or something, making noise. But this is my backyard and I'm not moving. JK. But I want to talk about a few of my flaws. A few of the things that I do not like about me. I don't like my body shape. I need to lose weight. I'm not fit. I have bad luck a lot of times. Not too many friends. Not popular. I'm very shy. I get nervous easy. I don't like to talk to new people. It's hard for me to make friends. Yeah, so there's just a few things. And you can learn more about me. I don't know how to put a picture up, or I would. Because I just don't know how. Hold on. I'm a little chubby. I like too personal. It's just a pretty view out today. See, look, there's the apples. I'm not too pretty. Now I'm gonna do about something just like got in my eye. Now I'm gonna do facts, like a few facts about me. No, I'm not. Forget that. The reason I never put like quotey thingies is because I forget until the last minute, and then I have to go back. Yeah. my friend, she does not have a YouTube, but I don't know what's wrong with her, but I haven't talked to her since, but she had to go to the doctor, and she had to get 3 shots. Now, she would not tell me anything further, and I do not want to share her information, but her name is Courtney Mullins. Just pray for her. She's lovely. She's a good friend. She'll talk to you. Nonsense. I don't know what to say about her. She's small. She's petite. Little petite. She'll care. She cares about you when you're her good friend. She's really fun to be around. Now let's move on to my other friend. Her name is Brycey Emmerich. I think of her highly. I think highly of all my friends. Brycey has a really good voice. She's awesome. She's really caring. She's lovely. She's just fun to be around, and she just, like, she's going to a different school for, like, we've known each other forever. And I moved to a new house and so we don't get to talk as much. And I don't know if my video is going to go off. So sorry about that if I don't get to finish my story. But okay, so there was this boy calling me names and fatty and stuff. And I was ugly. And she just went up to him and just like told him, and he just, I don't know what she said. She was just so nice to him. Like, there was this one girl that she would be nicer than anything. I don't know what she said, but it worked. And I love her to death. And I love Courtney to death. I'm not gay, I'm just telling you. You know, my mom watches these videos, so she would know. And I'm not. Just saying, I love my friends. My friends are awesome. Yeah. Every time there's a bug on me. Every time I upload a video, my mom watches it. So I am underage, if you know what I mean. Like, I shouldn't be putting anything on here, violent, anything. Might have a few challenges. I don't know. I feel like there's something right here. Because I think there's just, like, stuff on the screen.